What if I told you that nearly half of all US jobs, from truck drivers to accountants, could disappear by 2030? And no one is talking about how to survive it. AI isn't coming. It's already here. The only question is, will you be replaced or will you use it to get ahead? Stick around because what I'm about to show you might be the difference between thriving and being left behind in the AI economy. Now let's talk about your job. It's more than just a way to pay the bills. It's a part of your identity, your community, and your future. But what if that future is uncertain? What if the very nature of work is about to undergo a radical transformation? And its future. A future that's rapidly approaching and one that's being shaped by forces beyond our everyday awareness. We need to understand these forces and how they will impact not just our careers, but our lives. By 2030, nearly half of all US jobs, that's a staggering number of livelihoods, could vanish thanks to artificial intelligence. The rise of AI is not just about automation. It's about a fundamental shift in how we create value and how we participate in the economy. Could vanish thanks to artificial intelligence. The rise of AI is not just about automation. It's about a fundamental shift in how we create value and how we participate in the economy. 47%, not a typo. This isn't some exaggerated prediction from a far-off future, not a drill. This is a real and present challenge that demands our attention. This isn't sci-fi. We're not talking about robots taking over the world in some distant dystopian future. It's happening now. The transformation is already underway, reshaping industries and redefining the skills that are valued in the marketplace. AI is quietly reshaping the workforce, infiltrating every sector of the economy, from manufacturing to healthcare to finance. AI is quietly reshaping the workforce, infiltrating every sector of the economy, from manufacturing to healthcare to finance. While we're distracted by trivial debates, we're so caught up in the noise of daily life that we're missing the bigger picture, the fundamental changes that are happening beneath the surface. This isn't just another wave of technology like the internet or the smartphone. It's a new kind of intelligence, an intelligence that can learn, adapt, and even create. AI isn't just automating physical labor, replacing repetitive tasks on the factory floor, it's automating thought. It's taking over tasks that were once considered the exclusive domain of human intellect. It's writing code, developing complex algorithms, and creating software that can rival human programmers. Diagnosing diseases, analyzing medical images with greater accuracy and speed than human doctors, and creating art, composing music, painting pictures, and writing stories that can evoke emotion and inspire creativity, and creating art, composing music, painting pictures, and writing stories that can evoke emotion and inspire creativity. The speed and scale of this change? Unprecedented. We've never seen anything like this before in human history. Comparing AI to the spreadsheet is like comparing a house cat to a velociraptor. It's a difference in kind, not just in degree. The urgency is real. This isn't a problem for future generations to solve. This is your problem, not your grandkids. It's happening now, and it's going to impact your career, your finances, and your quality of life. The choices you make in the next few years, what you learn, how you adapt, the skills you acquire, and the mindset you cultivate will decide your future. Whether you thrive in this new world or become a casualty of technological progress, we're at a fork in the road, obsolescence or opportunity. A future of widespread job displacement and economic inequality, or a future where technology empowers us to create a more prosperous and fulfilling world for all. Obsolescence or opportunity, a future of widespread job displacement and economic inequality, or a future where technology empowers us to create a more prosperous and fulfilling world for all. The clock is ticking. So, let's face the reality. Let's not bury our heads in the sand and pretend that this isn't happening. AI is coming for jobs, and ignoring it won't help. Wishful thinking won't protect you from the disruptive forces of artificial intelligence. This is your wake-up call. It's time to shake off the complacency and start taking action. We need to talk about the 47%. Understand what it means and what it implies for the future of work. And start preparing. Developing the skills and knowledge you need to thrive in an AI-powered world. Not tomorrow, now. The time for procrastination is over. The future isn't waiting for us to catch up. It's accelerating at an exponential pace. So what do? How do we navigate this uncertain future? We get informed. We educate ourselves about the capabilities and limitations of AI. We adapt. We embrace lifelong learning and develop the skills that will be in demand in the future. We act. We take control of our careers and shape our own destinies, because the alternative is being left behind, becoming obsolete in a world that's rapidly changing. Let's get started. Let's embark on this journey together and create a future where technology empowers us all. Where does the 47% come from? A 2013 Oxford study analyzed 700+ US jobs and found nearly half are at high risk of automation. That doesn't mean half the country will be jobless overnight. It means many jobs will be transformed beyond recognition. Think of it as a mass, mandatory career change. The real warning: the skills that got you here won't get you there. It's time to look up and prepare for the tidal wave of change. Who's most at risk? Anyone doing predictable, repetitive tasks, physical or mental. Drivers, factory workers, warehouse staff. Automation is already here. Retail cashiers, self-checkout and just walk-out tech are replacing you. Administrative roles, schedulers, data entry, receptionists. AI can do it all 24/7. Even white-collar jobs like basic accounting, paralegal work and some coding are on the chopping block. The old belief that a college degree protects you? Outdated. The new dividing line: creativity, critical judgment, and complex human interaction. If your job doesn't require those, you need a plan, fast. The writing's on the wall, probably written by AI. Time to act. The rise of AI has sparked a lot of concern about job security, and understandably so. But it's not all doom and gloom. AI is powerful, capable of automating many tasks, and processing vast amounts of data with incredible speed. It's changing the landscape of work as we know it. But even with all its advancements, AI can't replicate what makes us human: our capacity for empathy, creativity, and complex problem-solving. These are the qualities that will safeguard many jobs in the years to come. Jobs that require deep empathy, those that involve understanding and responding to the emotions of others. Therapists who provide crucial mental and emotional support. Nurses who offer compassionate care and medical expertise. Social workers who advocate for vulnerable populations and navigate complex social systems. Great teachers, those who inspire, mentor, and connect with students on a personal level, are safe. These professions rely on human connection and understanding, something AI simply can't replicate. AI can't comfort the grieving, offering solace and understanding during times of loss, or provide true companionship, building meaningful relationships based on shared experiences and genuine connection. Relationships can't be automated. They require trust, empathy, and shared vulnerability. Creativity is another safe zone. The ability to generate new ideas, solve problems in innovative ways, and express oneself through art and design will remain a uniquely human strength. Not AI art generators which can mimic styles and patterns, but true original thought, the spark of inspiration that leads to groundbreaking discoveries and artistic masterpieces. Innovators who push the boundaries of what's possible, entrepreneurs who take risks and build new ventures, visionary scientists. AI can remix, combine existing elements in novel ways, but it can't invent the new, conceive of something truly original that has never existed before. Skilled trades, those that require hands-on expertise and problem-solving in real-world situations, plumbers, electricians, face unpredictable problems AI can't handle. These jobs often involve adapting to unique circumstances and making quick decisions in the face of unexpected challenges. Top CEOs, crisis negotiators, trial lawyers. These roles demand judgment, the ability to weigh complex factors and make sound decisions in ambiguous situations. Persuasion, the art of influencing others and building consensus, and navigating human complexity, understanding and responding to the nuances of human behavior. The future belongs to those who improvise, who can adapt to changing circumstances and find creative solutions on the fly, not those who follow a checklist. The ability to think critically and adapt to new information will be essential in a rapidly changing world. Move toward work that's uniquely human. Focus on developing skills that AI can't easily replicate. Lean into empathy, cultivate your ability to connect with others on an emotional level, creativity, nurture your imagination, and develop your capacity for original thought and adaptability. Embrace change and be willing to learn new skills and adapt to new situations. That's your edge. That's what will set you apart in the age of AI. Don't try to outcompute the computer. It's a losing battle. Be more human. Embrace the qualities that make you uniquely you, and you'll thrive in the future of work. The AI revolution isn't coming, it's here. You interact with AI every day, often without noticing. Chatbots handle customer service, learning and improving constantly. Warehouses run on swarms of robots coordinated by AI, packing orders in minutes. Human roles are shrinking to oversight and maintenance. In marketing, AI writes copy, designs ads, and tests thousands of variations in a day. In medicine, AI outperforms humans at spotting some cancers and scans. Jobs aren't vanishing overnight, but they're evolving fast. Those who refuse to adapt will be left behind. The change is real and accelerating. So, what do? Learn to use AI. Don't fear it, master it. You don't need a PhD, just practical skills with the tools in your field. Writers, use ChatGPT. Designers, try Midjourney or DALL-E. Let AI handle the grunt work so you can focus on strategy and creativity. The person who leverages AI is more valuable than the one who doesn't. Start with free resources. YouTube, online courses, tutorials. Spend 30 minutes a day experimenting. Build your AI literacy like you learned Word or Excel. Soon, AI skills will be as basic as email on your resume. Companies will expect it. Learning AI is a survival skill. Don't get left in the digital cold. Next, think like a creator, not just an employee. Build a digital fortress, assets you own, like a blog, newsletter, or YouTube channel. Your job can be automated, but your personal brand and audience are yours. A strong platform brings opportunities: consulting, speaking, book deals, online courses. It's your safety net in an uncertain world. Creating content forces you to learn, clarify your thinking, and communicate, skills AI can't replace. Use AI to help brainstorm, outline, and promote your work. Start small, one blog post or video a week. Consistency and value matter more than the topic. In a world of automation, your digital platform is your castle. Lay the foundation now. Don't wait for permission. Start building. Double down on your humanity. Critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, collaboration. These are now the most valuable skills. Seek out projects that challenge you and build adaptability. Practice public speaking, negotiation, and interdisciplinary thinking. Train your brain for insight, not just efficiency. Learn to work with AI, not against it. Think like a centaur human strategy plus AI power. The best results come from human AI teams. Be the pilot, not the passenger. Delegate what you can to AI, but own the judgment calls. See AI as your collaborator, not your competitor. The future belongs to those who master this partnership. Make yourself irreplaceable. 47% disruption sounds terrifying, a seismic shift in the way we work, the skills we need, and the very fabric of our economy. It's a number that can easily induce panic and uncertainty. We see headlines filled with doom and gloom, painting a picture of widespread job losses and economic hardship. But it's also a massive opportunity, a chance to redefine work, to create new industries, and to unlock human potential in ways we never thought possible. This disruption isn't just about loss, it's about the potential for unprecedented growth and innovation. Like the internet, AI will destroy some jobs, that's inevitable. Just as the internet rendered certain roles obsolete, AI will do the same. We'll see shifts in industries and some professions will fade away, but create new ones we can't yet imagine. Roles that require uniquely human skills, like creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. The future of work will be about humans and AI working together, each complementing the other's strengths. The real opportunity: automate the boring, the repetitive, the soul-crushing tasks that drain our energy and stifle our creativity. Let machines handle the mundane. Focus on what makes us human, on building relationships, solving complex problems, and expressing our unique perspectives. It's about fostering empathy, collaboration, and innovation. The future isn't jobless, it's not a dystopian nightmare where robots have taken over. It's more human-centric, a world where technology empowers us to be more creative, more connected, and more fulfilled. It's a future where human skills are valued more than ever before, but you have to build that future. It won't just happen on its own. It requires proactive effort, a willingness to learn, and a commitment to shaping the world we want to live in. This is your call to action, your opportunity to take control of your destiny and become a leader in the age of AI. Don't be the horse outpaced by the tractor. Don't cling to outdated skills and resist the inevitable change. Be the farmer who learns to drive it. Embrace the new tools and technologies and adapt your skills to thrive in the changing landscape. The tools and knowledge are out there, accessible to anyone who's willing to seek them out. The only thing stopping you is inertia. That feeling of being stuck, of not knowing where to start. Adapt now. Don't wait for the future to arrive, start shaping it today. Spend 30 minutes learning an AI tool. Explore its capabilities, experiment with its features, and see how it can enhance your work. Start your blog, share your thoughts, your ideas, and your experiences with the world. Pick a human skill to develop this month. Focus on improving your communication, your creativity, or your problem-solving abilities. The future will be shaped by those who act, by those who embrace change and take initiative, not those who wait, not by those who stand on the sidelines watching the world change around them. Don't get left behind. The future is calling, and it's time to answer. The AI revolution is here, and it's moving fast. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. Start building your future with AI tools right now before it's too late. Subscribe to Smart AI Hustle for weekly strategies on how to survive, adapt, and thrive in the AI economy. Drop a comment. What job do you think AI will replace next? Let's talk.